Okay, we continue for the number, the observation 6, number 6 ya. Number 6, please write on your notebook. Jawabannya saja ya. We think this because when you find the ice melted and then change into water, water turn into water vapor, and then you also have the ice, then we say that this is because the state of water, tulis ya, state of water, keadaan air atau wujud air, state of water, silahkan tulis state of waternya saja, jawabannya saja. State of water can change, bisa berubah, wujud airnya bisa berubah. Can change. Wujud airnya berubah menjadi apa?
Ice.
Ice atau solid ya.
Solid water.
Dalam kurung ya, solid dalam kurung, in the bracket ice. You follow me, okay? You follow me. Ice. Next, when you boil the water change into what was above?
Hot air.
Hot air atau gas. Koma ini ya, water vapor.
Means I want to eat
You just follow me.
I want to eat
Ya, semuanya tulis ya. State of water can change to. Ini ada kata to-nya. Can change to solid, water vapor, solid ice atau water vapor, dalam kurung ini gas. Yes. Dah. Can you see my screen? Bisa kelihatan nggak? Yang ini ya, number 6. We think this because states of water can change to solid, yaitu menjadi ice, and water vapor, yaitu gas. Okay. Dan everybody, semuanya udah? Jovan udah? Klarin? Dan?
Udah.
Dylan?
Miss.
Agnes? Clarissa dan writing? Clarissa. Is Amil here? Apakah Amil di sini? Amil. Done ya. Okay, done. Now we continue. Debbie, stop share ya. Stop share. Now let's open the book. In the Sekolah Maya, Miss Debbie already give you the book. Remember page 50? Ini ya. 50A yang ini, 50A, 59, 60 and 61. Here is the book. Ini bukunya sekarang. Siap-siap, everybody will read. Everybody all will read. Sekarang semuanya mau baca. Ini chapter A ya. Start from water. 3, 2, 1. Water. Like air. Water is also our basic necessity. Human being, yuk semuanya yuk. Plants and animals need to carry out everyday activities. Now you name the different source of water. So here are the bodies of water in the earth, yeah. ini adalah sumber-sumber air yang ada di muka bumi. Please mention the name of the picture. Coba, ini apa? Halo? Ini apa?
Water.
Ya, water in the. Ini kan sumber airnya ada di mana? The name, the place.
In the
What we call here?
uh,
Apa ini namanya? In Indonesia apa? In Indonesia apa namanya ini? Pond. This is the pond, kolam. Next. What is its name?
Miss Debbie,
Mm-mm.
tulis nggak?
No. Yang tulis kan cuma yang tadi. This one? What do you call it? Ini apa namanya? Lake. Betul,
Lake, Miss. Lake.
What next?
River.
River. What next?
Beach.
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 Mm-mm. Beach. What next?
Sea. Sea.
Sea atau ocean? Ya, it can be
Ocean.
like that. Ya,
Ocean.
boleh. Yes, I think so. So, here are the source of water. Ini sumber-sumber air. Bisa dari kolam, bisa dari danau, river, beach, sea, and others. Now, Miss Debbie want you to mention what is the use. Ini cuma ngomong aja ya, nggak usah ditulis. Use of water. Kegunaan air apa? Commonly for people.
Can drink the water.
For drinking.
For
What else?
drinking. For we take shower.
For bathing.
Yes. For
Mm-mm.
swimming.
Swimming, that mean the playing ya. Our activity. Boleh activity ya. And
Ditulis nggak itu?
no activity.
And for
What other that you think
cleaning
you use
dish.
the water? Cleaning, betul.
Cooking.
Cleaning. This is
For
very
cleaning.
important. Cuci tangan kan?
Yeah.
Very important. Hand sanitizer is not enough. You have to put you have to use the running water. Jadi it's better to use the running water from the tap water ya. Lebih baik menggunakan air mengalir daripada only the hand sanitizer. It's more better, more clean also. You use the soap, pakai sabun ya kan, and more clean. But drinking, bathing, activities like swimming, playing ya, cleaning, and this is mainly the common use of water. Now let's read again. We continue. Let's read again. Yuk, in 3, 2, 1 semuanya. States of water.
Water.
Water exists in three states: ice, solid, water, liquid, and steam,
These
gas.
states are interchangeable.
These states are interchangeable.
Things happen when we
What
ice
happens
ice
when we
of
keep
that body
ice
start
cube
melting
on
and
the table?
into water.
It starts melting and change into water. We can get back ice cube again after dipping water in the river. What happens if we boil water in a pan? It starts giving out steam. If we cover the pan with a plate, the steam cools down and again changes into water.
Water can change from one
This
state to
proves
another.
that
Ice changes to water, water to
can
steam,
change from
to
one
water,
state
and water
to
to ice
another.
again.
Ice changes to water,
Water to steam, steam to water, and water to ice again.
Okay, done. Everybody quiet. Miss Debbie will explain. Yeah. So water exists in 3 states. The number 6 that you said before, yeah, it is the state of water can change into ice, yaitu solid, ya kan, ice rock, and then can change into the steam when you water vapor. Ini sama ya, water vapor, the one that you write on number 6 before, ya. Water vapor atau gas atau steam. And then still in the state of water, ya. When you do nothing, kalau kamu biarin aja, nggak diapa-apain airnya, it's still, ya, it's still the state we say it's liquid. Kita bilang air itu adalah liquid, cairan. But the state also can change tadi, ya. Keadaannya atau wujudnya bisa berubah, bisa jadi es, bisa jadi gas. Nah. The question, coba answer. What happen if we boil water in a pan? Ini, if we boil water in a pan, apa yang terjadi above? What is above? Apa yang di atasnya ini? If you boil the water, just like we did. Come on, everybody answer. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, everybody answer. What is above the boiling water? Apa yang ada di atasnya ini?
Air.
Steam
Steam.
atau water vapor.
Water
But when you
vapor.
close it, kalau ditutup gimana sekarang katanya? Ini. Kalau ditutup sekarang, you cover the pan with a plate. Sekarang ditutup katanya ini. Pancinya ini suruh ditutup. What do you get? Ini suruh
The steam
ditutup.
cools down and changes into water.
Nah, did you see the water droplet in the cover? Kan kamu akan lihat nanti ditutupnya itu ada droplet of water that it is also the same when you put the ice into the mug. Remember kemarin siapa? Amiel itu ya. I put the ice, Amiel ya, put the ice into the mug. Ya, siapa yang diajak Miss Debbie ke dapur itu? Put the ice into the mug. And then you will get the water, ya kan? And then outside there is some droplet of water. Ada titik-titik air. Do you remember this? Ada titik-titik air di luarnya? Halo?
Yeah.
Okay. Where this droplet of water come from? Terus ini titik-titik airnya dapat dari mana nih? Kalau ini kan tadi
I
dari
go to
water
toilet.
vapor. Sure. Kalau ini tadi ya dapatnya dari water vapor, dari steamnya tadi. How about this? Ice. Kalau ini kan tadi boiling water, kalau ini ice yang sebelah kiri ini. But there is also droplet of water, tapi juga ada titik-titik air. Where does it come from?
Miss, can I go to the toilet?
Sure. Ini titik-titik airnya dapat dari mana nih when we put the ice into the mug? Titik-titik air yang di luar ini dapat dari mana? Please answer. Halo?
Dari air.
Dari air. Airnya ini di dalam. But the mug is covered with di luarnya. Coba Miss Debbie share lagi ya. Masa lupa? Mana yang ada ice-nya nih? Here. When you put the ice into the mug, kan di luarnya ini ada droplet of water. Ini ada titik-titik air di luarnya. Where this come from? Terus dari mana ini? Ice-nya di dalam. The ice is inside. The water is also inside because the ice melted. Ada water. But where is the droplet this outside come from? Terus dari mana titik-titik air yang di luarnya? Dari mana?
From the metal mug.
From the metal mug produce the water. Do you think that apakah kamu pikir bahwa benda ini bisa menghasilkan air?
No.
No. So where is the water? Where is the droplet of water come from? Terus titik-titik airnya dari mana? Yang
From
di luar.
the
From the
ice.
From the ice is inside. Esnya di dalam. Di dalam melted juga ada water. But this, the droplet of water, titik-titiknya air ada di luar. It is on the cover. Ini ada di luarnya. Where does this come from? Terus dari mana? Can you think? Yo, please answer. Dari mana ada titik-titik air di luarnya ini? When you put the ice inside. Halo, dijawab ya.
From the burner.
From the burner. Burner itu untuk memanaskan. Miss Debbie talking about the ice. The ice inside. Esnya ada di dalam. And that melted into water. But in the surrounding
Of the water?
cover, waternya di dalam. Do you think this is leak? Ini bocor emangnya? Kok bisa keluar ada titik-titik air di luarnya? Ini bocor. Is this leak? Do you think the mug is leaking? Bocor
Because the
mau?
mug.
Coba. Please think. Where does the droplet of water outside ini, yang di gelasnya ini, ada titik-titik air, remember? Where does this come from? Terus dari mana ini dapatnya? Ayo. Kalau belum dijawab, Miss Debbie will not continue. You have to answer my question. Debbie give you another.
What? This is asbestos. Satu. Kamu bisa print sekarang.
Mana ya videonya?
Keep the water in freezer in the kitchen, ya. We have kitchen. Water. Tulis coba. For you, please write on your book. Ini judulnya. Judulnya tolong ditulis ini. Yang di sini please write name class. Jordan.
Miss, boleh gak itu nanti di print aja?
Padan, apa yang di rumah?
Boleh gak di print aja?
You
Because
can,
the
but can you
air.
print now? Kamu bisa print sekarang.
No.
Kalau enggak nanti aja disalin.
Ah,
Ya,
here we go.
disalin aja.
Yang ini Miss Debbie ketemu.
Oke.
Okay, now number one. Ya, what we want to find out. Kita mau ngapain sekarang?
Wait. Nah, ini ya. Yang ini Miss Debbie found the video.
The ice getting? Ada es? Ya, ada es.
Yes, I
Tadi kan
can
emang
hear
ada
the
es.
voice.
And then what will happen? What happened?
Yes, I can hear the voice.
Melted.
Itu maksudnya.
Oh, really?
So, here is the lesson.
I
Melted,
can
and
hear
then
the
you
voice.
get. Dan
Yes,
kamu
I
mendapat
can
apa?
hear the
Kalau
voice.
it's melted, and then you will get apa? Kalau mencair terus
I
kamu
didn't
dapat apa?
mute it.
Water.
Water. We found that ice. We found that ice. Ini ya, ice melted.
Hello everybody, can you hear me?
I only hear a little voice.
Ah.
Little voice for
Okay.
the video.
Test. Can you hear my voice? Test.
Yes, I can hear.
Okay. Now Miss
voice.
Debbie ask you. The water is melted. We got the water inside because the ice melted. Now Miss Debbie asking for the water, the droplet of water, titik-titik air yang ada di mug ini di luar. Di luar.
Ada es? Ya, ada es. Tadi kan emang ada es.
Ya. The water, the droplet of water, it's outside. It's actually outside. So, ini kan ada di sini kan, di luarnya. Miss Debbie asking where does it come from? Terus dari mana? Where does it come from, the droplet of water? Coba, dari mana?
From the
What surrounding? What actually surrounding? Ini di sekeliling ini ada apa sih? What actually the surrounding? Ada apa di sekelilingnya ini?
Air.
Air. The air is
Because the
everywhere,
air-
right? Yeah, because
because
the air turn the gas, ya, atau air turn
The air
into
from the
cool down.
cool down.
Cool
The air is cool
down. The
down.
air cool down and then turn into
Into
droplet of water.
water.
Jadi ini dari gas and then change into liquid or water. Ini berubah. Jadi bukan es yang di dalamnya, tapi air, udara di sekelilingnya cool down, mendingin, menjadi dingin and then turn into droplet of water. Everybody clear up to here?
Clear.
Okay, clear. Now Miss Debbie will show you.
Clear.
Itu harus tahu ya. We call it condensation. Ini. Baru lihat bukunya. Here we go. Ya. When you have water, in this picture, water in the ocean heat up by the sunlight. Ini dipanaskan oleh sinar matahari. And then turn into, jadi air yang ini berubah menjadi apa? This water change into, coba,
Into air.
water vapor atau gas tadi, gas, ya. And then the water vapor cool down, lalu mendingin kayak tadi, mendingin, and then become the droplet of water and collect in cloud, lalu berkumpul di mana ini? Cloud. When the cloud is heavy, waktu sudah banyak, then you see the cloud is turn black or gray, right? That means the water vapor, berarti itu water vapornya atau gasnya atau uap airnya udah banyak, and then it will cool down and then goes as the rain. Ulangi ya. Water heat up by the sunlight, dipanaskan oleh sinar matahari, and then turn into, berubah menjadi apa ini? Halo? Berubah menjadi? Gas. Water vapor. Ini namanya evaporation. When the water vapor cool down and then make the droplet of water and then collect in the cloud, waktu berkumpul jadi awan, terus namanya apa ini? Coba dibaca. Berkumpul jadi awan namanya apa ini?
Evaporation.
No. Berkumpul menjadi awan.
Condensation.
Kalau yang tadi dipanaskan namanya evaporation. Kalau yang berkumpul jadi awan? Konden. Ulangi. Yang water vapor tadi, uap air, collect in the cloud menjadi droplet of water, titik-titik air, namanya condensation. Nanti ada di quiz lo ya. And then the cloud that heavy, yang udah berat ini, the cloud that's heavy, and then turn into water again, and then fall down, turun sebagai, namanya apa? Rain. And then the rain goes to river. Ini kan? The rain goes to land. The rain atau the raindrop atau the rainfall goes to land, ke tanah, lalu kemudian ke river, and then the river goes to kembali kemana lagi nih?
Goes to water again.
Ocean. This is what we call apa ini judulnya namanya? Water cycle. That mean the water is only round and round. Muter-muter aja ini. Airnya cuma muter-muter. Ulang ya. Can you tell me? Who wants to tell me the process? First, water. Coba, semuanya bilang. Semuanya bicara. Semuanya bilang. Yuk, waktu kita tidak banyak ya. Semuanya bilang. Water. heat up by the sun.
Water picked up by the sun.
Ya, and then turn into, berubah menjadi
Turn into water
vapor,
vapor.
and then water vapor cool
Vapor
down.
turn to condensation.
Ya, become a droplet of water
Become a droplet of water and
in the cloud. In the cloud.
in the cloud.
Mm-mm,
And
di awan.
severe when it's heavy.
When it's heavy, and then
When
it's
it's
turned
heavy,
into water, and
Water is
then
turned to water and
drop as the
as the
rain.
as the rain
And then the rain goes to
to the ocean cave.
ya river dulu, and then river goes to
River go to
This is
the
what we
ocean.
call, ini namanya apa? Water cycle.
Water cycle.
Ah, tadi yang condensation itu apa?
Condensation
Condensation itu when the water vapor
when the water vapor turn
into water, droplet of water. Ini kan? Ya. Gas menjadi air. Gas menjadi air namanya condensation. Kalau air, water menjadi gas, water become water vapor, namanya apa ini? Evaporation. Precipitation itu when you got the rain. Kalau udah jadi hujan namanya apa? Precipitation. Oke, dan ya. Here is our lesson. Now please prepare for your notebook. Kita siap-siap menulis jawaban. Oke, kamu harus tulis. This is what you have to write. Number 1. Ready?
Ready.
We can see air, right or wrong? Kita bisa melihat udara, betul atau salah? Answer, wrong. Ya, tulis number 1. Tulis number 1. Semuanya menulis. Semuanya menulis ya. If you miss, then you need to see my recording.
Dan miss.
Number 2. Number 2 silakan baca. We can
Fit when it moves.
We can only feel air when it move. We call it wind. Kita bilang ini udara yang mengalir namanya angin. Betul atau salah? Move. Move itu ya, bergerak. Right or wrong? Right. So number 2 is right. Silakan tulis. Please write. Number 2 is right. Number 3. Air contain dust particle. That when you wipe with the cotton, waktu kamu ngelap itu, Miss Debbie yang ngelap waktu itu ya. And then we got the dirt. The cotton is black. Kapasnya menjadi hitam kan? The air contain dust particle. Right or wrong? Please answer. Air contain dust particle, right or wrong? Yuk.
Right.
Right, ini siapa ya?
Right.
Ini siapa ya yang bilang tadi? Okay, right. Number 4. Ice is the liquid form of water. Is it correct? Is it right or wrong? S adalah cairan. Betul atau salah? Ice is the liquid. Right or wrong?
Right.
Es batu adalah cairan. Liquid. Wrong. It
Wrong.
should be
Wrong.
solid. Itu namanya solid. Ya. Wrong. Number 5. The water droplet combine together to form cloud. Betul nggak tadi? As you see in the picture. Titik-titik airnya berkumpul menjadi awan. Tadi betul tidak? Right ya. Number 5.
Right.
Right, berkumpul menjadi awan. When it's heavy, it goes to rain. Drop as the rain. Right. Okay, now B. Sekarang tulis B. B. Number 1. Ini ya, number 1. Plant use blah 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 to make their food. We call it photosynthesis. Apa yang digunakan gasnya? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, or nitrogen to make food? Siapa yang sudah tahu? Do you know?
Plants use.
Okay, carbon dioxide. 1B. 1B. Number 2.
Ini jawabannya saja.
Yes, only the answer.
1B.
Number 2. Air content of apa?
Air contain of water
Both itu
vapor.
dua-duanya. Both itu dua-duanya. So air content of, is it correct? Water vapor?
Vapor?
Correct or not?
Water vapor.
No.
Oh, udara berisi uap air. Kan tadi, when it heat up by the sunlight, waktu dipanaskan sinar matahari, dia turn water into the water vapor. So air content of water vapor, is it correct or not? Betul nggak?
Correct?
Correct. And air
Correct.
also content of dust. Betul nggak?
Yes.
Yes, so
Yeah.
both. Jadi
Yeah.
jawabannya
They
itu
both.
both.
Well,
Or you can write as AB. Ini juga boleh. Atau boleh tambahin C juga boleh. Number 3. Blah 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 release from vehicle, factories and fire. Remember? Then when we make fire, what do you get after you light up?
nomor 1 apa, Miss?
1B.
Gas.
The research from pressure facilities and
Oke, number 3 apa jawabannya?
Apa?
steam.
Number
Nomor
3.
1 apa?
Number 3. Nomor 1 ini dilihat loh on my screen. Please see on my screen. Ini 1B. Only write the answer ya. Number 3, number 3, apa yang keluar dari kendaraan bermotor, pabrik dan pembakaran? What we call?
Yes.
What we call? Smoke. Betul. Smoke. Number 3B. Number 4. On boiling, waktu mendidihkan air berubah menjadi apa?
Water change
Change
into
into
Steam.
steam. Correct.
Steam.
Steam itu gas ya. Steam itu gas. Atau water vapor tadi. Water vapor. One more, the last one. Number 5.
the last 5. In the atmosphere, water vapor cools down to form
Rain.
Water vapor cool down. Iya betul. Berubah dari titik-titik airnya berubah menjadi rain. Correct.
Nomor 2 apa?
Can you see my screen number 2? Ini sudah kelihatan? Miss Debbie tulis apa di sini? 2 A B. Jadi jawabannya 2. Oke. Any more question?
Oh.
We will prepare for the quiz next week ya. So the quiz is come from all this book. Udah ya, Miss Debbie clear ya? Clear ya? Done everybody?
Dan.
Done. Udah ya, clear. Miss Debbie will tell you that for the quiz you need to read from this page. Ini ya judulnya ya. Kita pernah kan ini chapter A, air and water. This is the use of air. Ini kegunaannya udara untuk apa ini? Sailing, drying the clothes, move the balloon, and then move the windmill. Ya kan? We ever done with this? Next, ini yang halaman 58. Air is all around us, but we cannot see it. We can only feel. Now, page 59, ini yang sudah kita eksperimen. Remember that we have the air as the carbon dioxide. We did make it the carbon dioxide, remember? Yeah? And then we also make the water vapor when we put the ice into the mug. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah? And then we also have the wipe the window by the cotton, then we get the dirt. Kita terus dapat yang hitam-hitam itu di kampas, itu namanya dust. Satu lagi, we have also, why we put the mask, why you still put the mask on your face? Kenapa? Why? Because we still have virus,
contains worms.
In di mana ada virusnya? In the still in the air, di udara. Kita masih we still can see that people sick because of the virus. So air also content of germ. Yeah, that's why you have to take a bath after you travel somewhere, ya kan? And then wash your hand before you eat, or wash your hand anywhere that you when you come somewhere, right? When you come a place, and then after you go home, you need to take a shower and then clean your body. Yeah, clean also your hair. Okay, everybody, I think it's done for now. This is the preparation for the quiz. Yeah. Oh yeah, don't forget to, Miss Debbie, I will tell you also that you have to read also from this page 59 yang tadi ya, 59, 60, 61 sampai sini ya. And also you can also read again for this A, B, and then write the
Ini nanti bikinin sekolah Maya enggak?
No, there is no assignment, nggak ada tugas di sekolah Maya, you just only need to review. Kamu harus review lagi dari recordingnya Miss Debbie and also the book. Ya, dan juga catatan tadi, catatan reportmu tadi ya. Yang number 1, 2, 3 yang ketinggalan, yang papernya ada di sekolah, you can see my recording again. Lihat aja recordingnya, nanti dicatat. Oke?